Happy VA Wednesday. So today we're going to be talking about buying a condo with a VA loan. Can you do this? Yes, yes. Let me shout it to the people in the back of the room. Yes, you can buy a condo with a VA loan. Now, what happens a lot, people go, well, wait, this condo development isn't VA approved, so isn't it impossible? No. So look, as a lender, perfect world, would I like the condo to already be VA approved? Hell yeah. It makes my job so much easier, and it also makes us able to close a lot quicker. Now, if the condo isn't already VA approved, I've got to go for VA approval. And let me tell you this, it is not one document. It is not two documents. It is get a stack of papers this big documents, okay? And the amount of stuff that we have to ask for, we've got to get from the HOA. And what I have seen in my experience is sometimes getting documents from HOAs is like pulling teeth. It's horrible, you know, and it's not because we're not trying. My team, like every other, hey Barbara, we're just following up. Have you been able to give us this? And it's a laundry list. Hey Barbara, just following. Hi Barbara, I'm sorry to bother. Barbara, can you please help us? We really want. Barbara, please, please, I'll buy you Starbucks. Barbara. Like, it's endless. It's horrible. I feel bad for them because they're looking at that list going, oh my God, I want to die. It's a lot. It's a lot. Now, do we do it every day? Yeah, we do, because I usually have at least 1 to 2 of these happening every month, which means my team's harassing Barbara or Karen or Betsy or Bob nonstop trying to get the stuff. Now, once in a while, we'll get HOAs that are like amazing. It's really rare. Like, consistently getting docs from HOAs, whether it's for VA, conventional, or FHA, not fun. Not fun, okay? Then we have to submit it to VA. VA has to review everything, okay? So it is a process, and I've had it, like I had one in New Jersey, it took 3 months. It took 3 months. We had to get the attorneys involved. We had to get the realtors involved. We had to get the buyer involved, begging to get these documents. And some of the documents that they want, the HOAs don't even have them. So then they're making them. It's like a whole thing, okay? It's a whole thing. So it's important that you guys know if you're doing a VA loan and if you're looking at a condo that's not approved, do not expect smooth sailing. No, no, no. It's going to be choppy waters, guys. We know how to do it. We're going to do our best, but we're relying on a third party. And we're not relying on the third party for something small. We're relying on them for a lot. Like a lot. Like where I see those lists and I'm like, ooh, that one stings. Oof. So I wouldn't discourage you from looking at condos, but I would encourage you to look at ones that are already approved. If they're not approved, just be prepared that it could very well be delayed. And we could put in all the work and VA could be like, hard no. Okay, so like, look, what are some red flags that VA is not going to do it? The biggest red flag VA is not going to do it is if the apartment's dominated by investors. That's a no-go. If it's 75, 50+% investors, it's a no-go. Okay, but that's not what we see a lot of. What we see a lot of is just, I think of New York and New Jersey because up until recently, maybe not a lot of VA buyers were looking there. The whole 2020 VA loan limit getting removed has made it so that, a $2 million condo in New York, you would never have someone doing that VA before. But now you will because there's no loan limit. Why the heck wouldn't you? Miami, there's all these different parts of the country that can be very expensive that we can now do VA 100% financing. So we are happy to do it. We love chasing people. You guys know this about me. I mean, how else could I post a video a day if I wasn't a bit of a stalker, right? We're happy to help, but just expect choppy waters, know it could be delayed, and ultimately, if the condo project's already approved, that is way smoother sailing, okay? Thanks for watching, guys. As always, questions, comments, reach out. If you need to get pre-approved, please hit the Apply Now link, and you guys have my cell phone for questions, so thanks for watching.